Welcome to Consumer Reviews. The best punch needle kit is probably one of the most satisfying and accessible ways to dive into the world of textile art, offering a wonderfully tactile and meditative crafting experience that allows you to create beautiful, textured pieces with surprising speed and minimal prior experience, making it perfect for both complete beginners and seasoned crafters looking for a new, relaxing hobby to express their creativity. Number 5. Pllieay Punch Needle Embroidery Starter Kit. This kit provides everything you need to begin your embroidery adventure. It's designed for both kids and adults, making it simple to create beautiful pieces right away. Inside, you'll find a sturdy embroidery hoop, a vibrant selection of 7 colored yarns, and a pre-patterned cotton cloth. It also includes all the essential tools and clear instructions to guide you. The cloth comes with a beautiful pre-designed floral pattern, offering excellent guidance for beginners. Once your masterpiece is complete, the marked pattern easily washes away, leaving a pristine finish. Once finished, your beautiful embroidery can be framed directly in the included 8-inch hoop. Display it in your living room or bedroom, turning your creation into a charming piece of home decor. The high-quality, elastic fabric is incredibly forgiving. If you make a mistake, simply pull the yarn back, and it will bounce into place, allowing you to correct it effortlessly without any pressure. What we like. This kit is perfect for absolute beginners with its pre-designed floral pattern and comprehensive instructions. Its unique elastic fabric allows for easy corrections, making it stress-free to learn. If you are just starting out and want a forgiving experience, you should consider this one. What people say. Number 4. Pllieay 3-Set Punch Needle Embroidery Starter Kits. Discover the joy of punch needle embroidery with this complete starter kit. It provides everything you need to begin your crafting journey, perfect for both kids and adults. Each set comes with clear instructions and all the essential tools. You'll find embroidery hoops, colorful yarns, patterned fabric, and more, making it simple to start right away. Enjoy the convenience of pre-designed floral patterns printed directly on the cloth. These guides make it easy for beginners, and the patterns wash off once your beautiful creation is complete. The included yarns are made from soft, high-quality cotton, offering a rich palette of colors. This ensures a comfortable and delightful punch needle experience every time you craft. Looking for a unique present? This kit makes a wonderful and meaningful gift for family or friends. A finished DIY embroidery piece created with it is truly special. What we like. Offering 3 complete sets, this option provides excellent value for multiple projects or sharing. The soft cotton yarn ensures a comfortable and enjoyable crafting experience. If you are looking for a gift or want to tackle several designs, this is an ideal choice. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no points could be extracted as requested. Number 3. MSDADA 21 PC Punch Needle Kit. Discover the joy of crafting with this comprehensive kit. It's designed to bring happiness and allow anyone to embark on their artistic journey, creating something truly special. This set includes an embroidery hoop, multiple punch needles, cloth, scissors, and various accessories. You'll have all the essentials to start your DIY craft project right away. Craft with comfort and ease thanks to its premium materials. The ergonomic design of the tools ensures a smooth grip, reducing friction and making your crafting experience enjoyable. Experience the beauty and comfort of the wooden handle embroidery pens. Their wavy contoured shape and natural wood color make them easy to grip and a delight to use for detailed projects. The plastic hand punch needle offers incredible versatility. You can easily adjust its length to 4 different sizes, perfectly suiting various stitch requirements for your designs. Transform your creations into beautiful decorations for your home. Frame your finished pieces to add a warm, artistic touch to any room, making your space uniquely yours. This kit makes an ideal gift for adults and kids alike, perfect for any occasion. It conveys warmth and thoughtfulness, encouraging recipients to explore their artistic talents and create lasting memories. What we like. This kit stands out with its adjustable punch needle and comfortable wooden handle tools, offering enhanced control and ergonomics. It provides blank fabric, encouraging you to unleash your creativity and design unique patterns. If you like to customize your projects and appreciate quality tools, this one is for you. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON to extract points from. Please provide product reviews to generate the desired output. Number 2. ETSPIL Embroidery Kit for Beginners. This kit has everything you need to start stitching confidently from day one. It includes a professionally bound guide and 4K video tutorials with slow-motion close-ups. It's like having a patient instructor right beside you. Thoughtfully tailored for grown-ups, it offers real, rewarding creative work. The elegant, nature-inspired botanical patterns blend seamlessly into your stitches for a clean, frame-worthy finish. Enjoy a calm, mindful escape watching petals bloom. Every tool is chosen to solve common frustrations, so you can focus on the joy of stitching. A custom magnetic needle minder keeps your needle secure, preventing loss or pricked fingers. It also includes a storage tube for needles, threaders, scissors, a seam ripper, and an adjustable hoop. Arriving in a sturdy, illustrated keepsake box, it's perfect for gifting. Inside, you'll find vibrant floss, pre-stamped fabrics, and the complete tool set. It's a thoughtful present for birthdays, Mother's Day, Christmas, or just to offer a moment of calm. With a full-color guidebook and 4K video tutorials, you have a real instructor on screen and a printed reference. The kit provides an adjustable hoop, practice fabrics, abundant floss, and all necessary tools. Simply open the box and begin your creative journey. What we like. This kit provides unparalleled learning support with its 4K video tutorials and a comprehensive bound guide. It includes thoughtful extras like a magnetic needle minder to keep your tools organized. If you value detailed instruction and a premium, frustration-free crafting experience, you should consider this. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON to extract points from. Please provide product reviews in the source JSON to extract points from. Number 1. Singer 8-piece punch needle embroidery kit. Discover the joy of punch needle embroidery with this comprehensive kit. It provides everything you need to start your next crafting adventure. This starter kit includes an interchangeable aluminum handle and 7 color-coded stainless steel punch needles. All pieces are neatly organized in a convenient storage case. Its 7 punch needle heads range from 0.99 mm to 2.0 mm, accommodating various floss, thread, and yarn types. This allows for diverse textures and designs in your projects. Designed for easy operation, this set is perfect for punch embroidery on both small and large hoops. You'll find it simple to create beautiful designs. It's an excellent beginner DIY craft project, suitable for adults, teens, and kids alike. Gather your family and start creating unique needlework pieces together. What we like. This kit offers great versatility with its interchangeable handle and 7 different punch needle sizes, accommodating various thread types and project scales. All tools come neatly organized in a durable storage case. If you plan on exploring different textures and need a versatile, organized set, this is an excellent pick. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.